Welcome. We are the Eaglebotics Fighting Eagles, FLL Team 1288 from North Broward Prep School. The Eagle filter provides people with cleaner water. There are 4 main ingredients in the Eagle filter.
The 4 ingredients needed are some cheesecloth, activated carbon, sand, and gravel or pebbles.
Make sure that your water bottle is upside down so that the narrow part of the water bottle is at the bottom now. We will be supplying you with a 3 by 8 inch piece of cheesecloth. First, put this cheesecloth inside of the water bottle. Then, make sure to press it firmly in.
2, go.
The next step will be adding your 1/4 cup of activated carbon, which we will be supplying to you pre-measured.
1.
Now we'll be adding our pre-measured 1/2 cup of sand.
Now the last ingredient is a 1/2 cup of gravel. And your Eagle filter is done.
You could push away this activated carbon glass.
Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.